Alright, so as required, we are good. Alright, generator light is out. Ammeter is showing 11. It will increase as the power starts to come in. Alright, we're ready to taxi. Ups are up. Avionics master is on. 80s. We're going to check the weather.
Visibility 20 to 3000 scattered. Altimeter 29er89er. Approach. Visual runway 26 left. Landing and departing runways 26 left and 26 right. Inform ATC that you have information Bravo. Pitt Meadows information Bravo. Limited weather at 1735 Zulu. Wind variable at tree. Tower visibility 20 to 3000 scattered. Altimeter 29er89er. Approach. Visual run.
Alright, we got ATC. Test brakes. Brakes are good. Back to 1000. We'll go do the run up. And we got a departure to the west. Pit ground, this is Cessna Golf, Extra Golf Victor on apron 1, requesting a departure to the west with Bravo.
Golf X-ray, Golf Victor, Pit ground, and are you on a flight plan today? And also for westbound, do you mean westbound along the Fraser River or northwest towards Vancouver Harbor?
Northwest through Vancouver Harbor.
X-ray, Golf Victor, roger. And for my other question, are you on a flight plan?
Yes, affirmative.
X-ray, Golf Victor, runway 26 left, altimeter 2988, taxi Alpha, Douglas departure, squawk 5364 from your flight plan. Contact tower 1263, holding short.
X-ray Golf Victor.
Ground, this is Cessna 172 Golf Uniform Zulu Delta. Just requesting taxi back to apron 1. I need to do a few more engine checks.
Uniform Zulu Delta, roger, taxi Alpha to apron 1, and are you canceling your flight then?
Not for now, Uniform Zulu Delta.
Uniform Zulu Delta, roger, taxi Alpha to apron 1, and when you're ready, give me a call back for taxi.
Alpha to apron 1, and I will call you back as soon as possible. Uniform Zulu Delta.
Sure.
So aircraft into the wind, nose go straight, area behind us clear. Controls. Flight controls are free and clear. Just overall, you put this thing. And let's turn that on. Alright. Fuel selectors on both. Fixtures ridge. Elevator trim set for takeoff. Alright. Got the Douglas departure.
Pitt ground is Cessna 172 Golf Romeo 8.
Pitt Tower, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor on Alpha, ready for takeoff.
X-ray Golf Victor, Douglas departure, altitude restriction cancel, clear takeoff, runway 26 left.
Clear to take off 26 left, X-ray Golf Victor.
Hotel X-ray India, start the left crosswind turn now, please.
Hotel X-ray India.
Pitt Tower, Cessna 172 Foxtrot India, and the uniform just north of 2000 feet inbound for full stop with Bravo apron 5.
Foxtrot India, India uniform, Pitt Tower, identified, runway 26 right, altimeter 2987, cleared college arrival.
Alright, through to the bottom.
Right, cleared via college arrival, India and uniform.
Oscar Hotel November Tower, remain south of the runway 26 left departure path. There will be a Cessna on runway heading
Oh, it's
towards
confirmed.
Wind light variable, land sky at your discretion.
ASV's alive.
Oscar Hotel November Tower 26 left at all times, report on.
Bravo Foxtrot,
60.
clear touch and go runway 26 left.
Nice takeoff.
Bravo Juliet Delta, surveillance service terminated, change to under frequency.
Bravo Juliet Delta.
85. Stay on this side for Douglas departure.
November Juliet, right hand circuit, clear takeoff, runway 26 right.
Clear for takeoff, 26 November Juliet.
Tower also X-ray India, done with the Poopa.
Hotel X-ray India, number 2, runway 26 left, follow us up with a short final. If you want another touch and go, I can accommodate one more.
Let's do that, we'll go for a touch over direction, thank you.
Roger. X-ray Golf Victor, northwest turn on course in the service.
X-ray Golf Victor. Engines all in green.
Pitt Tower, Bravo Zulu, right now, ready for touch and go.
Bravo Zulu, number 1, runway 26, correction, clear touch and go, runway 26 right.
Clear touch and go, 26 right, Bravo Zulu.
Hotel X-ray India, clear touch and go, runway 26 left.
Hotel X-ray India.
Bravo Zulu, turn base now.
Turning base, Bravo Zulu.
India uniform, number 2, runway 26 right, follow Cessna over Meadow Gardens, turning right base.
Number 2 looking for traffic, India and uniform.
X-ray Golf Victor, surveillance service terminated, change to under frequency.
X-ray Golf Victor, good day.
Good day.
Southbound traffic OBC 4 north after pass 500 southbound Fort Washington.
Traffic still up by Gower off the direction Cessna down at 1,600 unverified. Change en route.
Press 308, thanks. See ya.
Yeah. Golf X-ray, Golf Victor Harbor Tower, altimeter 2988, cleared westbound North Shore VFR route at 2000.
Clear the 2000 North Shore route, X-ray Golf Victor.
Tower, it's Cessna 206 Fox Juliet, they are Quebec with Delta.
Foxtrot Juliet, Sierra Quebec, Harbor Tower.
Just coming through the satellite Boeing 1.5, heading for Pitt Meadows.
Juliet, Sierra Quebec, altimeter 2988, cleared eastbound on the South Shore VFR route 1,500.
1.5 it is, thank you.
X-ray Golf Victor, change en route 1232.
Change to en route, X-ray Golf Victor, good day.
Good day.
So we're gonna head up north. We're passing Horseshoe Bay right now, and we're gonna continue north past Squamish, and then continue to Pemberton. Once we exit this shelf here for Vancouver Terminal, we'll climb up to 4,500. Alright, mixture's gonna go rich, full power, right rudder, and climb. Straight traffic, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor, just over Britannia Beach at 4,500, northbound to Pemberton. Squamish traffic, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor is about 5 miles out to the southwest at 4,500 feet. We are northbound to Pemberton.
Squamish traffic, Cessna 172, Golf Oscar, Papa Victor, entering the active backtrack is 33 for a southbound departure.
Yeah, Squamish traffic, Two Link Mix descending through 3,000 over the terminals, and we'll cross midfield to join 33.
And Squamish traffic, 172, Golf Whiskey, Kilo Charlie time. North apron, now full short launch Alpha, be a northbound sound departure for upper Squamish tax area, 4,500. And do lecture Lima, we'll be out of your way. You can keep doing your thing on 15. No, that's okay. We'll cross midfield and we'll come in for 33. Whiskey Kilo Charlie, if you we're about to roll 33, if you could give us a minute after departure, we might use the runway again for practice approach. Okay, copy that. You guys are going to be like a 180 knot, possibly. Whiskey Kilo Charlie, we're going to be holding short, let us know please.
Squamish traffic, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor, overflying the field at 4,500, northbound to Pemberton.
Squamish traffic, Golf Zulu X-ray Lima will be crossing midfield to join downwind 33.
We're just on the downwind for 15 right now. We'll cross in just a minute. And Squamish traffic, Golf Whiskey Kilo Charlie, holding short on Alpha. And Squamish traffic, 172 Golf Oscar Raptor, we're on an abbreviated approach for 15. It'll be a touch and go or an overshoot, and we'll be departing southbound. Thanks, Golf Charlie. Golf Whiskey Kilo Charlie, remaining holding short.
Zulu Mike is just joining left downwind for 15, or winds favoring 15 or 33.
They're kind of variable, just switched towards 15, I think for 33.
Okay, let's stay in left downwind for 15.
Squamish traffic, go to the X-ray Lima, we're crossing midfield to join the mid left downwind for 33.
Okay, we'll stick for 33. Thought I heard somebody doing Oh, somebody on 1-5 right now. Okay, no conflict.
Okay, Squamish traffic, Alpha Kilo Charlie. We're holding short on Alpha. Wizard position favor for 1-5 now. We don't want to depart 3-3, so we're remaining holding short. And Squamish traffic, Alpha Oscar Victor's on the go. 1-5 will be departing southbound. Stand out, everyone. Go away. Thanks for holding short. Whiskey Kilo Charlie. Squamish traffic, Alpha Kilo Charlie, we're holding short on Alpha, yeah, I see traffic is downwind, we're gonna have to wait.
Zach Mike's crossing midfield to join left ramp with 3-3.
And Squamish traffic, go to X-ray Lima on the left base for 3-3.
Squamish traffic 172 Golf Oscar Papa Victor's a mile and a half to the south, 1500 for 2000 for the circuit southbound.
Squamish traffic, Golf Zulu X-ray final 3-3.
Squamish traffic, True Link Mike is turning final 3-3. We'll on the go run. And we'll switch to 1-5 so the traffic can depart.
For the traffic, it's okay, we can take 3-3 now, the winds are just favoring 1-5 momentarily.
As Squamish traffic, Golf Zulu X-ray Lima is backtracking 3-3 to Glacier Bay.
Squamish traffic, Golf Oscar Papa Victor over downtown at 2000 southbound for Housetown. And Squamish traffic, Golf Kilo Charlie entering and backtracking firmly.
Housebound traffic, Cessna 172, Golf Oscar Papa Victor, over 1 point at 2,000. Just going to be working the north side of Housebound between Anvil Island, Gambier Island, and the mainland.
Squamish traffic, Cessna 172, Golf Romeo, Papa Romeo, 5,500 feet, descending through the valley for Squamish. We'll join 15 downwind, last 15 downwind, we checked wind bump. Pemberton traffic, Cessna 172 Golf Tango Delta Kilo, clearing to the west. We're climbing through 3,000 feet off the Whistler.
Pemberton traffic, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor. We are at 4,500 feet. Northbound to Pemberton.
Okay, check that traffic coming to Pemberton. We'll stay at 3,500 till you're past us, Tango Delta Kilo.
Roger, and I'll stick to 4,005.
Roger that, Tango Delta Kilo. Air traffic Tango Delta Kilo, you're summit there, we have you. So have a good flight.
Roger, good flight, extra Golf Victor. Pemberton traffic, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor. We are about 5 miles to the southwest, inbound. We'll be overflying midfield for a wind check. Pemberton traffic, Extra Golf Victor. We are descending from 4,005 to Pemberton altitude, coming through around the bend from the southwest, or overfly midfield. Pemberton traffic, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor. We are at 1900 feet overflying midfield for a wind soft check. Pemberton traffic, Cessna Extra Golf Victor. Crossing midfield, we'll be making a right to join right downwind for runway 24. Pemberton traffic, X-ray Golf Victor making right base for runway 24. Pemberton traffic, X-ray Golf Victor on final for runway 24, full stop. Pemberton traffic, X-ray Golf Victor is clear of the active.
Quiero sentir tu cuerpo volando juntos cuando estamos juntos. Ven pa' que mi amor somos el amor, el mundo se paró, solo esta pasión. Mira, me siento el calor de tu mira, cuando estás acá estoy tranquila y no me importa nada. Fuego, yo siento contigo un fuego, me mata el olor de tu cuerpo y no me importa nada.
You savage as hell, telling me things we both know you regret. But as you should have told me about her before you sucked me in. You thought we could be cool for the summer.
Mira, me siento el calor de tu mira, cuando estás acá estoy tranquila y no me importa nada. Fuego, yo siento contigo un fuego, me mata el olor de tu cuerpo. Aquí mi amor, somos el amor, el mundo se paró, solo esta pasión. el calor de tu